going are over. I hated that. I just wanted to follow simple, clear directions from the screen to buy or sell and make money. I didn't want to think. I didn't want to analyze anything or do all the mundane stuff that so-called sophisticated traders did. No, I just wanted a simple software to show me when to make money at any time I wanted. And that's what I'm sharing with you today. Forex Millennium was created to make it simple for you to win trades. The algorithm that powers the software is super accurate at positioning you to profit from the start of the trend all the way to the very end. You simply follow the directions the software presents to you. It doesn't matter whether the trend is going up or down. You will be making money on any currency pair regardless of its direction at any time of the day. You will be bombarded with so many opportunities, you could soon become overwhelmed by the amount of money you can make. That's what you want, right? Well, my friend, you can start the realization of your dream today, literally within the next few minutes, by clicking the Order Now button below. I know you're excited, so to make sure you know what you'll be enjoying when you get Forex Millennium, here are some significant facts. The signals do not repaint. You will be confident knowing you will enter a buy or sell trade at the right time. You will get consistent, winning trades that will balloon your account within a short space of time. Forget giving your profits back to the market. You will be alerted to the precise, exact time to close your trades. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you're a conservative trader, you can set Forex Millennium to generate signals with very little risk. But if you like to go for the jugular and you want to take everything you can get, setting the mode to aggressive will suit you just fine. Plus, you can set it to medium if you want to profit in a moderate manner. You have complete flexibility, depending on your risk level. Plus, there is a custom mode that more advanced traders can use to manually configure the signals for their specific needs. There are 3 ways to ensure you don't miss out on uber profitable trades. MT4 platform pop-up alert with sound. Don't be chained to your computer all the time. Boredom will soon take its toll on you. To avoid that, you can be anywhere you want, and once you get a trade alert, you just place the trade right away. Easy. Get instant email alerts. Within seconds, you can get an email alert with the details of the new trade. Mobile phone push notifications. If you trade from your phone, this is perfect. You simply place and close trades immediately once you're alerted. I've got you covered with these 3 methods. I care about your success. Every trade is important. The more you get, the faster your account grows. With these 3 methods, there's no way you will miss important trades. Trades that can put you in another tax bracket in just a few months. I know, because I use these 3 methods every day to enjoy my freedom when I'm out and about. I remember one Thursday afternoon around 3 p.m. I got a push notification to place a trade, which netted me over $300 in profit. I want you to imagine using Forex Millennium when you get home from work in the evenings to engineer your escape to freedom. Let's say you get in after 5 p.m. daily. You open up your MT4 trading platform, and Forex Millennium gets to working its magic every evening. Be sure alerts will be generated on any currency pair of your choosing. As I said earlier, you don't even have to sit watching the screen. You can be anywhere around your home doing whatever. Once you have your computer volume up and it sends off a trade alert, you just go place your trade. Even with a small $1,000 account balance, you could easily make at least $50 per night if you get 10 pips off 5 currency pairs. 10 pips is easy to get with Forex Millennium. By the end of the week, you could clear $250. You could easily double your account balance in just a month's time. Can you imagine doubling your account every month for 4 months? Month 1, $2,000. Month 2, $4,000. Month 3, $8,000. Month 4, $16,000. Now, once your account hits the $10,000 mark, you can start thinking about trading full-time. This is where $200, $300, and $500 days become possible. It is possible, my friend. You just need to be focused over the next few months, following simple instructions to get back your time and freedom. Starting right now, today. It all starts with clicking the Order Now button below to get Forex Millennium. Do that, and you will get Forex Millennium software. Yours to give you back your life without paying for updates or subscriptions. A beginner-friendly user guide. It's easy to read without the use of jargon or industry words and phrases to confuse you. I am extremely serious about customer service, and if there's anything that you are having issues with, I will do everything in my power to make sure you have the best experience trading with Forex Millennium. email me at carl@carldittman.com, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Updates. You will get updates to Forex Millennium once we find a way to make it more accurate than it already is. With the caliber of skill and knowledge that's required to develop and code this software, $1,997 would be a perfect price tag for it. If I were to license it to a proprietary trading firm or an up-and-coming hedge fund, that would be my starting fee, plus ongoing monthly licensing fees. But of course, you aren't that, and I couldn't, in my right conscience, overcharge you, especially now that you're trying to get yourself out of whatever financial rut you're in. So I've come to a figure that satisfies me as well as your pocket. I will grant you access to Forex Millennium for a measly $147. If you start with a $250 trading account, profits from 2 weeks of trading will pay for it. Even better, if you're trading a $1,000 account, 1 week's profit will cover your investment today. What would you do with $5,000 within the next 10 to 12 weeks? Would you take off for a mini vacation to somewhere you've long wanted to go for a long weekend? Wouldn't you travel first class? When I got my first $5,000 profits from trading, I visited a place I had long wanted to go, St. Barth's. On my first day there, I followed my software instructions and reproduced trades just like the ones you saw before. With the profits from the few trades I placed, I immediately transferred it to my debit card and withdrew at the ATM in the hotel lobby. Plus, I used that money to rent a car for my family, eat 5-star meals, pay for evenings at the theater, and still had plenty left over afterwards. Just think of all the possibilities you can come up with. You could let Forex Market pay your rent every month, pay your credit card bills, let it take a big bite out of your mortgage, let it give you the down payment for a new home. But that's just the beginning. As I said earlier, you could soon make the Forex market your primary source of income. So really, what is $147 compared to all that this powerful software can do for you? Look at the lifestyle it affords me. I'm allowing you to hand me just $147 to get the same lifestyle I live. Do you want it? Yes, it can be yours. Get started now. Click the button below and I will make your order completely risk-free. With my risk-free guarantee, there are only 2 things that can happen. You win more trades than you can imagine, or you get your money back. There are no 2 ways about it. In the time that you've been watching this video, I'll have made money. There will be traders who will jump on this today and will make money. And tomorrow when others are watching it, me and the new members will continue making money. Why not join us? If you haven't thought about where you will be in the next 30 days from now, you can promise yourself that you can be hundreds, if not thousands of dollars richer, using a tool that requires nothing from you other than following simple on-screen instructions and a few clicks to change your life. Is that too much to ask? Is that too much work? I don't think so. There is nothing to think about. Just click the Order Now button below right now and download Forex Millennium to your computer. 30 days from now, you will be amazed to see what your account balance will be. See you on the other side.